Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day, and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. As you can hear and probably see, a very windy day, so I hope the microphone isn't too bad for you. We got an install to do on the 2024 Toyota Tundra. We finally got a tonneau cover. I have partnered with the brand Real Truck, and if you don't know what Real Truck is, they are the parent brand for so many of the brands we know and love out there for our trucks, and especially our Toyota Tundra. Just to name a few: NFAB, Extang. There's so many that they own. So make sure you head over to Real Truck and see some of the options out there. Now, this is a hard top tonneau cover, which if you've been around the channel a long time, you know that I like the soft top trifolds. But I figured we would go a different direction, try the hard top this time. And I went back to Extang for this. I could have went back flip. There's a lot of different options for the hard top, but I really like my Extang Trifecta 2.0 tonneau covers that I've had in the past. So I figured we would stick with this one. We're going to pop it open real quick. We're going to install it. Shouldn't take very long. 5.5-foot bed. Just make sure, and we will go over all the details and pricing at the end, but when you go to order this, you let them know you have a deck rail system, because that's going to matter, as you will see with this install. We're going to pop it open, throw it on the truck, and then talk about the details if you're interested in this Extang hard cover for your Toyota Tundra. All right, we popped open the box. Here's the cover before we install it. Got some protection on the end for the buckles, and it also comes with 2 packs of the brackets you'll need. But we're going to need to install both of these. First, we will lay this cover on the front and try to align everything before we install it. So here we have it, not installed at all. We just laid it down to make sure it lines up good. And then we were going to fold it open, make sure it lines up good at the back, fold it back up, climb in and start installing some brackets. So far so good. This is not a super hard install. And I could tell you, just from the weight of this cover, this thing's going to be durable and protect whatever you have in the bed on your travels. All right, I think we've centered it perfectly. Looks good along the rails, up by the bed. Seems like it's going to be a great cover. Good seal when you close the gate. There's some rubber seal all around the outside. It's a good looking cover though. Now, a question for you in the video. Some like the tonneau covers that are flush to the bed and you can't really even see them when you look from the side. This one is a little bit up. Which direction would you go? Do you like this or the flat kind? So this is one side, what the finished product will look like. We had to install this block into the deck rail system, and then you screw the bracket on top of it, and then you slide the piece from the tonneau cover over and then tighten it until it's secure. It's that simple. There's nothing crazy about this. This install is super simple. If you've ever done any kind of tonneau cover with a deck rail system, it's pretty much the same thing every time. You always get that extra metal piece to put in, and it's an extra step, but it's completely secure. It really took 2 screws that are provided. They even provide the tools. One side done, heading over to the other side. Just doing a little fit check before we go to the safety tethers and the installation of the rear brackets. It sits pretty good. You want to make sure you check it before you go any further, because the 2 brackets up here have to be perfect to make the cover sit the way you want it to, nice and even on both sides. So now we're going to do the safety tethers. Before I do that, just to show you how easy that is, you use the deck rail system here again. Safety tether wise, you install the bracket into the deck rail system, and then you screw this to the front of it. Okay, we just installed the metal piece that goes into the deck rail system at the rear of the truck, and now we're going to throw on the bracket. Okay, the rear bracket is on, the cover is secured. You have to unscrew this in order to get everything to line up perfectly. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the wire to the handle here, so we can open up the cover by just twisting this every time. So once you get everything lined up, that is your last step. And the final part of our installation, we were adjusting these wires. So when you turn this, these clips come off of the bracket and you can open up the tonneau cover with no problem. It takes a little adjustment. It comes with all the tools you need to do it. But it took about 5 minutes to get it where it needed to be. So every time you need to open the cover, you don't have to do what some of the other ones have where you have to pull a latch down or twist or anything like that. It's simple: rotate and lift. Try to do it with one hand. Rotate and lift. Okay, folks, we're all finished. We finished the install of the Extang Solid Fold ALX tonneau cover. Super simple install, no problems whatsoever. Bracket, 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 bracket. And then you have the safety tether there as well. You have to set the cords in there to the bolts so you can twist this and it opens up the cover, which I will show you very shortly. Good part about this solid fold is you didn't have to relocate or delete your deck rail system. This keeps everything. It's pretty heavy and made of good construction. It will do the job if you want a little more security in your bed. It has some good rubber around the outside to limit any water getting into the bed, and you can obviously fold it up and clip it if you don't want to use it. And if you want to take it off to not have it on the bed at all, super simple. You just got to deal with the brackets up front, twist, and it's off. And the brackets will remain to put it right back on when you're done with your project and you need a tonneau again. But good purchase here. Let's talk about some of the details and pricing of this tonneau cover. And here are the details on this tonneau cover. This is the Real Truck Extang Solid Fold ALX Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. The price of this cover is $1,150. 4.5 out of 5 stars is the rating currently. Some of the unique features of this tonneau cover: one is the rotary latch. Unique among tri-fold covers, the ALX uses a simple twist and lift function to open and close the cover without the use of tailgate clamps. Weather resistant, the ALX has hard polymer rubber corners, hinge caps, and snap-on perimeter seals to keep out virtually all elements. EnduraShield panels. Durable 1-inch thick EnduraShield panels resist dents, scratches, and UV-induced fading and are capable of supporting up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Jaw grip clamps. Extang's exclusive jaw grip clamps secure the cover at the front of the bed, making it easy to remove the cover tool-free when full bed access is required. While the Extang Solid Fold ALX might look identical to our popular Solid Fold 2.0, it comes with one key difference: the addition of our proprietary secure rotary release latching system. This system is also found on our low-profile Ender ALX and soft folding Trifecta ALX, offering easy one-handed operation. Simply drop the tailgate, twist, and lift. Closing the Extang Solid Fold ALX is just as easy. The cover's secure rotary release latching system automatically latches when shut against the bed rails. Aside from our upgraded rotary latch system, the Solid Fold ALX features the same premium build quality as the Solid Fold 2.0, including proprietary 1-inch thick EnduraShield TPO panels to resist dents, scratches, and UV-induced fading. Reinforcing these panels is a lightweight EnduraCoat finished aluminum frame with dual pivot max hinges. Despite the cover's lightweight design, It's remarkably strong, capable of supporting 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight. If weather resistance is a concern, Extang has you and your truck bed covered. Exclusive hard polymer rubber corners, hinge caps, and snap-on triple fin perimeter seals prevent moisture intrusion from any angle, keeping your cargo clean and dry. Installing the solid fold ALX tonneau cover is quick and easy using Extang's proprietary tool-free jaw grip clamps and bolt-on rotary latch strikers. If full bed access is required, the cover is removed in seconds without any tools. Extang is a real truck brand. When you order the solid fold ALX or any other Extang product from us, you're dealing directly with the manufacturer. We proudly back each solid fold ALX with a limited 5-year warranty. Okay, folks, that's it. Quick and simple install and a nice description of this Extang solid fold ALX hard fold tonneau cover. Make sure you let me know what you think in the comments below. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 at gmail.com. You guys have a great day. Be safe and be well.